Hello everyone, this is row 4 of flower and leaves crochet motif. Row 4, we start by making chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, triple crochet 3 together by incomplete triple crochet, 2 incomplete triple crochet, 3 incomplete triple crochets, and then complete the triple crochets by yarning over and draw loop through all loops on hook. Then chain 1 and 3 incomplete triple crochet on top of the 3 double crochets. So this is 1 incomplete triple crochet, 2 incomplete triple crochet, 3 incomplete triple crochet, then complete the incomplete by pulling loop through all loops on hook, and this is how it looks. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a double crochet on the chain 1, the next chain 1 between the flower and the leaf motif, then chain 1 and 3 double crochet together at the center of the flower. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat, making another flower petal by making 3 double crochet together. Then chain 1 and double crochet on the next chain 1 between the flower and the leaf motif. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet 3 together on the next 3 double crochets. Chain 1, TR or triple crochet 3 together on the next 3 double crochets. then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the next chain 1 stitch. Chain 1 and repeat the same steps to make the 2 petals at the center of the next flower. Double crochet 3 together at the very center of the flower. Chain 3 and make one more set of double crochet 3 together on the same flower center. The flower petals are completed, then chain 1 and make a double crochet on the next chain 1 between the flower and the leaf. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and so we're just repeating what we already have done before. So I am just going to do it without making any commentary, except at the end of this row. At end of the row, after the last leaf, chain 1 and triple crochet on the second chain of the beginning, chain 3. So turn the work to start row 5. This is all for now, and I'll see you soon on the next video. And please subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you all very much. Thank you.